Hey everyone, you probably know already, but the GoPro HERO7 range was released on Thursday the 27th of September in the UK, a little bit later elsewhere, but we decided to get our hands on it and put it through some real world tests here in London. So we took it out to central London to try a few different things, and we want to show you what those look like. So first of all, I want to show you just the normal stabilized footage. This feature is brilliant. We weren't sure how it was going to be, but it is brilliant. I want to show you what that footage looks like now. Next, let's take a look at some super slow-mo video of my dog Kenny. Speaking of which, hi Kenny. What's up? Come here. Keep in mind this is 1080p, 240 frames per second. The footage doesn't look great. The slow-mo is fairly slick, but the video quality is just not usable on a professional level.
Gonna lead into the first bend from Tourmaline Jack racing in second. After these comes third, Adagio on the outside, then comes One Around Classic. After these...
Now for the feature that I've been most excited about is the hyperlapse feature. Now, I couldn't get it quite as smooth as we were seeing in some of the GoPro adverts, but it is really still a really cool feature. So check this out. Now to test the stabilization a little bit more, I got my friend Josh and we got him running up the street, running back. So this is where it's really impressive, so check this out.
How fast do you want me to run?
Like as fast as you can.
All right.
I won't be able to keep up with you, but let's try it. And go.
After all the fun, we submerged the GoPro in some water and tried dropping some coins in and some hot sauce in there to see what it was like in slow-mo. Now, again, not super impressed with this. I think it would definitely be better in slow-mo in a sort of action sports realm, but coins, maybe not, maybe not. So all of the footage you've seen so far is straight out of the camera with no color correction. But here's a little movie made with the videos that we took with the GoPro in central London. Hope you like it. So that leaves one big question left to ask. Could you use the new GoPro HERO7 Black as your main vlogging camera? I'm going to say no for us. We're going to use it for lots of extra stuff, for shooting on the side of cars with a suction cup, for shooting, doing adventure sports, things like that. That's great. But to let you see for yourself, I'm going to switch to this camera here. So we're currently shooting on the Leica 8-18 super wide angle lens. But 3, 2, 1, now we're on the GoPro. Could you use this as your main camera or your main vlogging camera? See for yourself. It's very high quality. You've got loads of different settings. It's under £400 in the UK, under $400 in the US. Best price for a high-end GoPro that there's ever been. So you weigh up that yourself. If you did like this video, please like, subscribe, hit that bell button to be notified when we're posting more. We're going to be posting a good bit over the next week. We're going to be in Corfu in Greece. We're going to be posting there. We're going to be posting when we get back. Come along for the journey. See you on the next one.